Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord so that anyone can send you direct messages without any issues. So, let's get started step by step. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the settings gear icon right next to your username. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're inside your user settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you find the Content and Social section. Click on that. Inside this section, you'll see a title that says Direct Message Spam. By default, Discord tries to filter suspicious messages, but if you want to make sure you're receiving all DMs from everyone, select the option that says Do Not Filter. This ensures you'll get all direct messages without Discord blocking anything. Next, scroll down a little further until you see the Social Permissions section. Also, make sure the toggle for message requests is turned on so that even if you're not friends with someone, you'll still see their message request in your inbox. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials.